Y'all, I'm still here. I'm living. I'm present. Welcome back to another Powerstrokerick YouTube video. I know it's been a minute. Blue truck, out of storage, black truck, black. Guys, this is a little update video, and then also we're going to do Turbodindustries grill light install video here on my blue truck, my 2015. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a lot of talking right now. I'm gonna show you everything that I have kind of done to the blue truck. I've been bad, y'all. I've been naughty. I ain't recorded nothing. Been really busy, and I'm gonna record some stuff now. So a lot of this stuff I'm gonna show you. I didn't record it, obviously. So any questions, drop them down below. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. As always, like a sore dick, can't beat it. Let me show y'all what we got. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. All right, y'all, so to say the least, it's been hectic here at the Powerstrokerick compound. It's been hectic at the shop, really busy. So to give you guys a quick rundown, I bought me a platinum center console for my blue truck, right? 1116, clean, super mint console. You already know I had Daddy Dave do some blue jean blue color match on it. Had to do the vents in the rear. Ordered one of these plugs off of eBay, and I'm kind of salty that I found out that you need that lower dash piece where your cup holders are. So I'm probably gonna install it today. Either way, I'll do a video on that. Taking the jump seat out, putting this in, but I ain't gonna have that lower dash piece till I buy it. Cause it's like 300 bones, man. That's how they get you. But anyway, center console I bought, painted. Got some stuff over here. Got some stickers. Here's your grill lights. We'll get in on that in a minute. We're gonna do some talking real quick. Blue truck. What have I done? I know I didn't film it, guys. I've been bad, but what I've done. So we got the PPE diff cover for the rear. Powdered alien silver. Very cool. We got 3-inch spacers. I don't know if I can see them there. I'll show you up front. Amsoil 75-140. Gear lubes I ran in there with some anti-slip or semi-slip additive. More color matching. You guys know me. Rain guards. Had Daddy Dave do them. Came out sick. Wheel well liners. Guys, you already know I would color match my underwear if I could. Wheel well liners. Paint to match. Yeah. North Georgia lighting. 150 piece pods. Got 4 of them. Dave got some of them too, so he got like 8 of them. I got 4 from him. I got 1 in each wheel well, so that's new. Before I go up top, we'll go down here. So what did I do down here? 3-inch far from stock spacers. Powdered my rotors, my power stops. Pedala, custom Oriental powder coating. Shout out to you. My knuckles, I powdered them. Alien silver. Kryptonite hub assemblies. XRF Platinum Series ball joints, lower and upper, new axle shafts. Guys, I went a little crazy up here, man. I can't help myself. I did it all. Got these big Larry Hoover tires and some spacers. You got to make sure shit's nice and tight. I'm probably forgetting stuff. I think that's it. That's a zip tie. Look at that. I forgot that the other day. Yeah, there's getting it on the knuckle. Looks pretty cool. Powder I found is deep blue sparkle that matches blue jean blue. So we got that. I got some floaters for my KG1s. Dave's got them in the shop doing some color matching. And I got some big old meat Larry Hoover true spike lug nuts, 7 inchers. We're painting them too. So yeah, enough talking about that. In here, I got the big SPE intake and my piping kit, guys, that you guys see me do. I don't know, a couple years ago, I got that all powdered, deep blue sparkle to match. I got my upper rad pipe color matched. We got the no limit cap set for everything. The billet battery hold downs from SPE, deep blue sparkle. So guys, we've been going a little crazy up here, and I've been bad. I haven't been filming, but today we're changing that. So we are installing Turbodindustries grill lights. Go around your C's right here. So we're gonna pop the grill off. The install here, pretty cut and dry. We're gonna tap right into the turn signal running lights to give you everything you need. They give you the wire taps So we're gonna show you taking the grill off. But you guys know we got like 4, 5, 10s up there. And then you know the old pop method with the long screwdriver. Pop the tabs out. Bada bing, bada boom. Here we go. Man, that was a lot of talking, but look how wide this bitch is. This bitch is a thick old girl. Thick. With 4 or 5 C's. Oh, I color match these back here too. Them little plastic liners right there, color match them. I'm probably forgetting stuff, guys. You know me. I be rattling shit off all the time. Oh, I knew I forgot something. Morimoto license plate lights, color matched. It's the little things, guys. I know it's little, but it's the little things. So if you're here for the grill light install, skip past all this other stuff as I fling a zip tie. So let's get it. All right, y'all. So this is my favorite part about these trucks, how easy the grill is to take off. Don't mind my chair. You know, lift the truck light. 10mm. 1, 2, 4. Yeah, 4 of them, I think. Yep, 4. So then, guys, I usually have one of these long screwdrivers. We'll start popping these bad Larry Hoovers out. If I can even see what I'm doing. I really can't. You want to use down here. Apply pressure to the tabs. We've all seen it, I think. And there's our grill off. So we're gonna show you. So y'all, while we're here, we're gonna pop the headlights out to get to those connectors. The grill, I'm gonna show you sticking the lights on. We got 4 10 millis. You got the one down there. You got the 2 back here. You got 1 up top. So we're gonna pop these out. Let's do a time lapse. Pop them out. Pop that out. Gang. All right, guys, so we'll show you here in a little bit, but these are the 3 wires. I was really zoomed in. We're gonna be tapping into for your turn signal bulbs on each side. Got the headlights just chilling out right now. Isn't it crazy how quick you could just tear that front end like that apart? Pretty cool. But anyway, show you putting them in. All right, y'all. So clean the surface really good. They do, so Turbodindustries, right? Instagram, Facebook, awesome company, man. Seat lights, I mean, they got the bars that go across, they got wheel lights, they got rock lights, they got it all, man. They'll get you lift kits, they'll get you anything. So shout out to Turbodindustries. The lights, this is your kit. You get the lights. They are obviously white and amber, you know, for your turn signals. You get 6 of these, oh my God, what is the damn word of these things? I can't even think of them. Splitters, wire, butt thing, you know, gang. Anyway, and then you get, it's cool. It's all quick connect, you know, so you can still take your grill off if you need to, like I just did. You got your 3 wires. So we're going to hook these up on the truck side. We're going to put these in here. So basically whatever you want to use, like some Dawn dish soap, some glass cleaner, any type of alcohol, clean in here really good. I just wiped it down, some glass cleaner, wiped it down with a dry rag, and then I'm just going to let it dry in here. So let it air dry for a little bit, and then we'll put the lights in, fish them through there, and then you're done with having the grill off. That's it. Then we'll go over to the truck side. Gang. All right, guys. So I didn't film this, but it's just 3M tape with your LEDs just around here. Let everything air dry and clean it real good. I got the white on the outside, amber towards the inside. It does not matter. It's totally up to you. I mean, if you change lights over here, amber would be on the outside, white would be on the inside. So that's how I did it. And just pop these through the back in there. And then I just stripped these back a little bit. We got all of our connectors right here. Got a little rain delay. Welcome to Ohio and not having that in the shop. So I'm going to show you splicing them connections in, which wires go where, and yeah. All right, guys. So you got your turn signal plug right here. And I wrote it down because I get confused myself. You know, I'm a little dyslexic. But we got black, obviously the black. The middle yellow-blue wire, that's going to be your red. That's your power. And then this blue and green is your turn signal, yellow. So I had to write that shit down because I would forget. But trim everything back, just like the sheathing and everything. Little snap-on tool, you know, so you're not cutting in any wires, which is sweet. So we're gonna put these connectors on, and we'll show you. See how good of a wire tap I could do. Oh, as I dropped the wire taps. Wire taps, guys. That's what I was trying to think of earlier. I couldn't think of the damn name. Because, you know, little slow. Little slow. Alrighty, so here's this connections right here. Is this the cleanest? I don't know, guys. Red goes to the middle one, the yellow, blue, ground to ground, black. Then you got the blue green to the turn signal. So we're gonna do the other side now. And the other side, I'm gonna list for you so you know. It's blackish purple, obviously that's your ground. Same thing pretty much. Yellow blue is the power, and the yellow purple is the turn signal. Yes, sir. All right, that's it, guys. Clean? I don't know. Maybe. What do you guys think? Is that Powerstrokerick install clean? Maybe not. But anyway, got these wires just chilling right here on each side. And we're going to slap the headlights in, put the grill on, plug it in. Hopefully it works. Gang. And, you know, typical, if it's fashion, you know, we put everything all back together. It doesn't work, and we take it all back apart again. That's life, and that's working on stuff right there, man. Gang, baby. But hopefully it doesn't happen. All right, guys. She's all thrown back together. I'll show you what she looks like here. The unlock button. Ooh. Now they're just flashing because of my camera, but that's pretty cool. Oh, not flashing no more. Nice. Yeah, what do you guys think? Got the amber. Pretty cool. I'll have to go put my Parkers on real quick. Also, I'll get footage of this at night. My thumbnail is probably gonna be a little darker outside, so. Where are my Parkers at? I don't even remember this damn thing. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. See the reflection in the black truck? It's pretty sweet. All right, y'all, that's it. That's the grill light install. Pretty cut and dry install there. Takes you about an hour, depending on how anal you are. My driver's side, no, my passenger side, I actually ended up taking the wire taps off and just butt connected in because it was getting a bad connection for whatever reason. And yeah, don't know why, but easy install. Super cool. They look, I'm excited to see them at night. Turbodindustries, shout out to them. You guys go check them out on Instagram, Facebook. Tell them I sent you. Wheel lights, rock lights, grill lights. They even have like the bars like I did on my black truck. So yeah, as always, like sore dick, can't beat it. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace.